Check it out. I made a LED matrix pixel art nightlight project, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and show it to you. I even have an accelerometer inside, so as I turn it around, you'll see that these little confetti pieces kind of float around with gravity. So I wanted a nightlight for a kind of central area of our house, and so I have this set up on a wall timer where it'll automatically turn on at a certain time and then turn off 2 hours later, and just do a slow rotation. I actually just wanted to stay on a image for an hour, but I wanted a lot of variety. So I searched through the online to see what other projects people had done, and I captured all the best ones that I liked. And I ended up having about 10 patterns that it cycles through a random one each hour. Some of them are just pixel art, like the heart, and other ones are kind of rainbowy color patterns. There's one inspired by a LavaLamp, and I think the fire one is my favorite here. I'll note that I pushed the button on the back to get it into demo mode, so you'll see these rotating very quickly. And it does look better in person than whatever you can capture on camera. I have all the details of how I built it in the comments, and I'll even throw up an image of how I assembled the electronics on the back. Thanks to Adafruit and FastLED and some of the other people who helped make this possible.